Shubham. Actually, I have completed my engineering from the Government College of Engineering outside. Then afterwards, I got a job in Vodafone, that is from the vendor of Nokia. Then afterwards, I I have an experience of 2 years in that field in telecom sector. But after that, I thought that it is not the correct field. Then I have decided to join the networking field. So after in 2016, in December, likely to be, I have got the information of the I-Medita and I got here. Then afterwards, just by seeing the environment here, the labs and the trainers which are highly qualified and well certified, then I am willing to study here. Then I took an year for studying the networking. Likely to be, I have to attend the lectures on weekends. Whenever I got the time, I will be here. But within a period of time, I got stuck in the office because of the job. But the team members allow me in any class at any time. That's why I got the knowledge, sound knowledge of the networking domain. Then I got the interviews call from the Infosys in on December 29th. I just got the call from the Infosys. And afterwards, just go. I went there, take having the interview. Then afterwards, I got selected. I really appreciate the team members of the I-Medita, which helps me a lot for the whatever the knowledge I got. And afterwards, just really thankful for having the good knowledge about the things which I learned from this I-Medita. Like, it is really appreciable that it is a growing the training institute in our Pune city. I have lot of experience of other institute, but this is the top rated, and I will give the 10 ranking in Pune city as well.